Alert. This juicy beef burger will be eaten in just minutes, but its journey through one of the world's most advanced factories. Every great burger starts with carefully selected beef. Before a single patty is made, every batch is inspected to meet strict quality and food safety standards. Within seconds, massive cuts of beef are transformed into perfectly sized pieces. Precision here determines the texture of every burger you'll eventually eat. Now comes the machine that completely transforms the beef. In less than a minute, thousands of kilograms are ground into the perfect texture needed for premium burger patties. Here's something most people never see. Before a burger is formed, the beef is mixed under carefully controlled conditions. Now the transformation happens at incredible speed. Precision forming machines shape every burger patty to the exact same size, weight, and thickness in just seconds. Instead of cooking the burgers, the factory freezes them almost instantly. Rapid freezing helps preserve texture and quality until they're cooked later. Before packaging, every burger patty passes through an advanced inspection system. In milliseconds, it checks the size, shape, and now the pace becomes incredible. Automated packaging lines seal thousands of beef burger patties every hour. Not every piece of beef is ready for burger production. Skilled workers and precision trimming stations carefully remove excess fat, and every burger needs the right balance of lean meat and fat. This stage isn't just about cutting, it's about creating the texture and juiciness people expect in every bite. Every burger needs the right balance of lean meat and fat. This stage isn't just about cutting, it's about creating the texture and juiciness people expect in every bite. This is the heart of the entire burger factory. Every second, precision molds transform the beef into perfectly shaped patties with identical weight, thickness. Before production continues, every freshly formed burger patty is automatically weighed. Even a difference of just at this speed, even perfectly made burger patties can't touch each other. This intelligent conveyor creates the exact spacing needed before the next production stage. Thousands of tiny seasoning particles fall with incredible accuracy. Every burger receives the same measured coating without slowing the production line.
Even at thousands of burgers every hour, every patty must stay perfectly aligned. Could Inneral shift?
3 separate production lines now become one. Watching thousands of perfectly identical burger patties merge without a single collision is an engineering achievement by itself. From room temperature to freezing conditions in moments. This rapid process helps preserve the burgers until they're ready to be cooked later.
One production line isn't enough to meet global demand. Multiple forming lines operate side by side, produce tiers.
At first glance, this looks like an ordinary conveyor, but watch closely. The line begins climbing into a towering spiral Siemens. Near the top of the spiral, the temperature reaches its lowest point. Powerful streams of freezing air surround every beef burger patty. After completing the freezing cycle, every beef burger patty leaves the spiral at exactly the right temperature. At incredible speed, advanced vision systems inspect every frozen beef burger patty. Shape, thickness, surface measurements. Packaging doesn't end with sealing. Every pack is automatically counted and arranged into shipping cases with remarkable speed and precision. Now the factory shifts from food production to industrial logistics. Every sealed shipping carton is positioned with millimeters. A single unstable pallet could shift during transport and damage hundreds of cartons. That's why every load is automatically. Behind these insulated doors is one of the most advanced areas of the factory. Towering automated storage systems organize thousands of frozen shipments.
Every second counts once the frozen pallets leave storage. Insulated loading docks connect directly to refrigerated triplets.
As the first trucks head toward their destinations, the factory doesn't slow down. Behind them, by the time this documentary ends, the factory has already produced thousands more beef burger patties.